In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to eBay. Now, this is very quick and easy. All you have to do, guys, you want to open or create an account on CJ Dropshipping. And of course, you need to have an account on eBay. So as you can see, this is the product that I have imported from a Chinese website to eBay. And yeah, if you are wondering what I'm doing here, I just the dropshipping, okay. That's exactly, probably that's why you clicked on this video. You want to start dropshipping from CJ Dropshipping to eBay. Now, to connect, first I'm going to show you guys how to connect and then how you can list products and every single thing you need to know about CJ. I've been using CJ for a very long time. So what you guys need to do first, like I said, is to create an account on CJ. I'm going to click on sign in because I already have an account to CJ. So I'm going to sign in using my Google account right now. Now after that, what you guys need to do next is you want to just click on, as you can see here, you can see the shipping time, which is 3 to 7 days, CJ package ordinary 4 to 9 days, CJ package fast line 6 to 10 days. And a lot of people use CJ dropshipping because of fast shipping, and also the advantage of using CJ dropshipping is the shipping time, and also the ship and like this source and ship for you. Like you don't even have to do anything. They can ship the product automatically to the customer, and they can provide tracking number without you doing anything. Okay, that's why a lot of people use CJ dropshipping, including me. Now what you guys need to connect CJ, first let me show you how you can connect your eBay to CJ dropshipping. Now like I said, you want to create an account on CJ. And then you want to click on authorization in the top left, and then you want to select here eBay. So it will take you guys to this page. As you can see, it says here you haven't authorized any stores yet. So I just created this new CJ dropshipping account so that I can show you guys how you can start from scratch. Because if I show you guys my own CJ dropshipping account, it's not going to show me here you haven't authorized any stores. It will just show me the list of stores that I have linked to CJ. That's why I created this new CJ account. Now it says here, as you can see, haven't authorized any stores yet. Authorize your store to activate one-click product listing and automatic order fulfillment. Now that's why I told you at the beginning. Now you want to click on add store. Okay, it's very easy. This is a very easy process. As you can see, it says here there was an error passing information between the third party. You just came from eBay. Third party may has provided invalid information to eBay and or processing. Yeah, you just need to link it because I already linked this eBay account to my other CJ accounts. That's why it displays this error. I'm going to try again. It's the same error. It says here the authorization error because this eBay account is linked to my own CJ, so it seems like I can't link it to my another CJ account because it makes no sense. Okay, now after, you just need to click on add store, and then it will I will show you what you need to do. You want to click on add store, and then you want to scroll down, and you want to give access. It will ask you guys, eBay will ask you if you want to give access to CJ. You just need to click on give access or something like that, and it will say their authorization success. Okay, make sure it says authorization success. After it says that, what you guys need to do now, you just need to go and search for the product that you want to import to your eBay store. So for example, if you want to import makeup related products, for example, I'm just going to search for a random product, as you can see here. Now for example, let's say that I want to import this product, okay, to my store. Now you just need to open the product that you want to import to your store, and what you guys need to do next, I don't know why the connection is very slow. Okay, so we're just going to wait a few seconds. Like I said, CJ offers a lot of products, as you can see here. Like as you can see, it says here, no data found. You may post a sourcing request for us to find it for you within 24 hours. Yeah, I just need to find another product. This is my first time having this error, so I'm going to open this one. And then I just wait for it. I think there is a problem with the CJ dropshipping website today because it's very slow. Okay, it says here the same. Okay, the same error, as you can see here. Store existing products, maybe because I haven't linked any store That's why it displays this error. Please click authorization to process. Now what I'm going to do in this case, I'm just going to link I'm going to try to link, for example, my, let me see here. Okay, I'm going to link okay, so I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to show you guys what you guys need to do next. So like I said, you just need to find a product here. So for example, this one, and then click on list. Okay, click on list. Okay, just wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is the product. Now it seems like the error is fixed by CG. Now as you can see here the product. Now what you need to do after you click any product that you want to push to your eBay store, you just need to open it and click on list. Now it will take you to this page. Here you will find your eBay store. Because I haven't linked my eBay to this new CG account, it doesn't show me here my eBay store. Now for you just need to enter here where it says here ship my most orders to. You want to select here United States, and here shipping method you want to go with CG package ordinary. It's faster and also it's cheaper. As you can see, it's only 7 to 12 days shipping. Here you want to add the price that you are going to sell this for on your eBay store. So for example, I'm going to sell this for $20, and the total dropshipping cost here is $10. This is how much money CG will take each time you sell this on eBay. CG will take $10 and your price is going to be $20. Here just enter here your price and then click OK. As you can see, I'm going to sell this for $20 on eBay, and the total dropshipping cost is $10. Okay, now the profit is $10. That's not true. If you think the profit is going to be $10, that's not true, because eBay takes 13% fee each time you sell an item, so you are only going to be left with like $6, $5. Now when I click on list it now, okay, the moment you click on list it now, it's not going to, I am not able to list because I haven't linked any store. As you can see, select a store first. For you, if you click on list it now, you will find these products inside your eBay. Okay, and then you will be able, guys, okay, you will be able to, you know, to sell that product on eBay. Now you don't even have to do anything. eBay will show that product to people, and if someone buys it from you, CG will be able, guys, to send the product automatically to the customer. Now if you are not able to add the product to your eBay, make sure you set up your eBay store. Make sure you add the payment method. As you can see, I have added here my Payoneer. I just received like $140 to my Payoneer account, as you can see. Now also keep in mind that eBay, when you first start selling, they will hold some of your money so that they can like build trust with you guys. That's exactly why. Okay, you just need to wait like 20 days each time you sell something, 20 days before you will have it in the available balance, so that you can you know, receive that payment to your Payoneer. So from Payoneer you can receive it to you can send it to your bank account, to your local bank account. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know exactly what your questions are. I will reply to you guys. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.